Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,646. Today's low in Dow Jones are 34,490. Dow Jones made high of 34,760 today. Currently it is trading 34,653. Dow Jones has entered in positive zone yesterday itself and currently it is trading in positive zone only. So let me give you the resistance and support, and let me remind you this video is about Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P I have covered in this video as well. I have also covered gold, crude oil, euro, British pound and cryptocurrencies. Let's move on. Dow Jones support stands at 34,450. Dow Jones resistance stands at 34,830. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Nasdaq, then we will go for S&P. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 14,707 after making high of 780 today. Today's low in Nasdaq at 14,683. Interestingly, Nasdaq support is still just 50 points away. So let me give you the resistance and support now. Nasdaq support stands at 650 now, as said earlier. 14,650. Nasdaq resistance however stands at 820. Nasdaq is also in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if Nasdaq breaks 650 and manage to sustain below that level, then Nasdaq might test up to 14,500 and even 14,300 is possible. Let's move on for S&P before moving to gold. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 43.32 after making high of 43.48 today. Currently it is also trading in positive zone just like other US index. Let's have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 support stands at 43.15. Resistance however stands at 43.51. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if S&P break 43.15 and manage to sustain below that level, then S&P may test up to 4300. Let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold. This is spot gold chart. Currently it is trading 1798. If you have watched my video in morning, which I update on my Hindi channel, I have given resistance around 1815 and 1818. Gold could not break that resistance and currently falling from 1814. It has made low of 1797 just few minutes ago and currently trading almost at the lowest point of the day. If you trade in gold, you should also subscribe my Hindi channel where I give levels in Asian session. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you will get the levels in notepad just like I am writing here. Gold support now stands at $1788. Gold resistance stands at $1815. Currently gold trend is weak, so avoid going for buy. But if gold break 1815 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect gold to test around 1825 and 1840. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. Currently it is trading 68.24. After yesterday's low of 65, it has recovered smartly from 65 to above $68 today. It is recovering with US index which were crashed at Monday. Let's have a look at resistance and support in crude oil now. Crude oil support stands at $66.50. Resistance however stands at $69.50. Currently crude oil is in positive zone, then that is very rare, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to forex. First we will see euro. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading 1768 after making high of 1783. It is also trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro resistance stands at 1790 now. Euro support however stands at 1740. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to British pound, then we will go for cryptocurrencies. This is British pound. Currently it is trading 36.20 after making high of 36.42. Today's low at 35.91. It is also trading in weak zone till market is not breaking the resistance of 55. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. Support stands at 35.80. Currently it is also in weak zone, but it would turn positive once market break 36.55. Let's jump to the cryptocurrencies now. First we will see Bitcoin. Finally, after making lows around $29,000, Bitcoin has recovered smartly and broke the resistance. Currently it is trading almost at the highest point of the day. Bitcoin is up 6% today from yesterday's closing. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. Bitcoin support stands at $30,200. Bitcoin resistance at $32,400. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Ethereum before concluding this video. This is Ethereum. It has also recovered from 1680 to now trading at 1915. It is also trading at the highest point of the day. It has recovered almost 7% from last night's closing. Ethereum support stands at $1820. Resistance however stands at $2050 now. Currently it is also in positive zone. If you have enjoyed this video for whatever reason, please do not forget to press the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. If you have any query or if you are stuck in some trade, you can leave your comment in comment section. I will try to reply that. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.